What's up guys, your Bigly here. As promised, here I am today with another advanced training video. Calves are a sexy muscle, but most neglected, and many people believe that if you have poor genetics, you cannot develop calves. Well, I was not blessed with great genetics for calf, but there are certain things that I followed that helped me improve those calves into cows during my competition days. The number one thing is calves take up the load the entire day, which means whenever you're walking, your calves are getting used, which means your calves are filled with the slow twitch fiber or the endurance type of fiber. So they recover very fast, and just like any other training, doing those 8 or 10 reps with 3 or 4 sets once or twice a week is not gonna cut it. So here is what I did, and this is what most of my clients follow to develop those calves. When I started training calves and when I was worried that my calves are not growing, Mr. Arasu, my coach that time, advised me to train that day. That was the beginning of my calf growth. Your calves recover pretty fast, and I could feel that they recover within 12 to 16 hours, so training them every day was no-brainer. I developed a discipline to train my calf every day, first thing when I started working out, and this helped me put on almost 2 inches around my calves in the next 2 years. So here is what I did. Number 1, I trained my calf every day with a different calf exercise, something like a standing calf exercise, donkey calf exercise, seated, and so on. Number 2, I used a tri-set formula using 3 feet push-in. I would start with a V with the thumb touching each other and do my calf raise. The second would be straight calf raise, and the third would be the V with the heel touching each other calf raise. This ensured that my calves from the outer head to the inner head of the gastrocnemius was well exhausted. Number 3, I train barefoot because when there is a sole in your shoe, it prevents the maximum contraction that you can do with your calf. And the fourth and most important point about calf training, people neglect to train their shin. That is the muscle that is in front side of your calf. So I use either a band or weight to do a shin exercise. So these 4 are the key elements for complete calf development and bring up those calves if they are lagging in your body. So when I say a tri-set for calf, first thing is the thumb touching each other. I do 10 reps and try to contract the outer head of my calf. Next, I keep them straight so that I can exhaust both the heads of my calf. Once that is done, I try to keep my heels together and make a V and do 10 reps out of this. So when it comes to calf, I prefer doing 5 to 7 sets every day of different exercise. And everyone has this question about how much load to use. For example, I'm 85 kilos. And when I'm walking on the road, each calf is lifting 85 kgs, which means if I'm just using light weight to train my calf, you're not gonna respond. So if I'm doing a 2-leg calf raise, I need at least 190 kilos on them to stimulate growth. It's simple logic, guys. It's not about using too much load, but simple logic. Next, I'll teach you how to grow your shin and make your calf development complete. Every muscle has 360 degrees, so the calf also does. We trained the gastrocnemius, now we will train the soleus. The logic is simple. For gastrocnemius, the pressure was under our feet. For soleus, we'll be placing the pressure over our feet. Today I'm going to use resistance band. You can even replicate this exercise with plates. I like to do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps of this. Because this is a muscle that is very seldom used, you get exhausted very fast. The first time when you try it, it's gonna be tough to walk the next day. Unlike every exercise, you'll get used to it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned about calf training. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment on the video about what you liked and what you would like to see in my upcoming videos. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and press on the bell icon so that you will receive notification of all my new videos. It's your Bigly, over and out.